Alright, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. I went down to the creek and I saw one of my friends who had a golf ball launcher. Now, it wasn't a potato gun launcher, it was actually a golf ball launcher. Alright, so here's a photograph of me holding the golf ball launcher. It looks pretty cool. It looks engineered pretty well. So, again, we went down to the creek to try it out. And while we was down there, we decided to shoot a couple of videos for fun. And we did this just for entertainment purposes only. So hopefully you guys enjoy. And this is kind of a little break from the other content. Alright, so we're having a disclaimer. No children were harmed in the making of this video. All actions was conducted in a safe and controlled environment with proper precautions in place. Never point a golf ball shooter at anyone, especially children. This video is for entertainment purposes only, and we do not promote any unsafe or irresponsible use of equipment. So as always, please do not try this at home. Alright, so we shot two videos, so let me know which one you like best, the first one or the second one. Alright folks, I'm going to tell you the story about the legend of Cannon Dan. He used to be a peaceful man, enjoying the river. But then came those kids, yelling, splashing, ruining his quiet. Cannon Dan warned them, they didn't listen. Now, he speaks in Titleist.
Alright folks, this belongs to Cannon. Pretty useful. If you got golf balls laying around your house, I don't play golf, so I had to find something to do with them. So, say you're enjoying a quiet day at the riverbank and you're enjoying yourself, and some little loud-ass kid's being annoying and just won't shut up and ruining your day, you just grab your belongs to Cannon, point it over in his general direction, and you pop him in the head. No more kid being loud. Go back to enjoying your day.
Today we're going to talk about the legend of Off-Target T. Down by the creek, there's a man who's making a splash. Meet Off-Target T. His sights are already set on one thing: the water. Alright, today we're going to do something a little bit different. We all seen potato guns before. This is a golf ball launcher. It's a McLong cannon stick. Has the air compressor, and then I just have the little switch here for a switch to turn to fire the golf ball. So let's give it a shot and have some old-fashioned fun. Doesn't get any better than that. What do you got there?
Oh, it belongs to Cannon.
What does it
golf
do?
Balls. Pretty hard too. I want to shoot the riverbank over here. Oh, look, actually, I think a shot up in the air. You see one go way crazy. Tactical version. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Bye. Yeah, it's still going. It's doing finally.
Sometimes you just have to have fun with the McLong long stick golf ball shooter.
Say you're a bad golfer and you can't really drive a ball and your buddies are all good. Just take this as a golf course. 500 yards. There ain't a par that can hold you. Simple. Pull out your driver, in this case McLong stick, pull the trigger. 4. And there's 400 yards.
Easily. Do this all day long.